Hello again, my dear friends. On January 24th, 2025, I released a video titled Hubris in Software Engineering, where I presented to you an application in production that was using the Create React app command line interface to scaffold the React application. And in addition to that, they did not secure their app, at least on the front end. And it had many vectors for potential attacks. Starting on February 14th, Valentine's Day, which was the previous Friday from the time of this recording, if you were to go to the Create React app um, official website, they put the deprecation warning in the top header. And if you were to click on the read more here link, it'll take you to this site here. Now, if you are a professional React developer, the data that the React team is putting out at, on this site is nothing new. The things that they are saying, we professional developers have known for many years. And hopefully, to make a long story short, they are suggesting to use other framework to include Next.js, Vite, what have you. The problem is that there are many companies in the Western world, and in particular the United States, that are still using Create React App CLI. And these companies are dealing with very sensitive information to include individuals' financial data as well as other sensitive information. And, um, this article here will tell you the normal marketing speak as to why they are suggesting the change to include not using not fetching data in use effect hook, or not using use effect hook to fetch data anymore. And they suggest going with something like a React query or TanStack query, among other things. Here you go. This is the part right here. Again, we've known this for many years, right? We who take JavaScript seriously, who take front-end development seriously, have known this for many years. Um, and now I think that the React people are succumbing to the truth. Um, there was a bit of disappointment after reading this long article, in that they did not mention security, and that's very disappointing to me. What they've said here is all legit, it's all legitimate, but they left out security, um, particularly security within the npm. I'm not talking about npm. No, you might say that, well, you use yarn. Well, yarn pnpm, you're still using npm packages, right? I am referring to npm, the repository registry, not the CLI. And npm packages have circular dependencies. And circular dependency meaning that packages that relies on other packages, and those do not get updated often. And if you were to scaffold, or you were to be crazy enough, or if you were to experiment and scaffold your own Create React app now, you will see all kinds of security warning. At least I would credit the npm people for being ethical and providing those security warnings. Um, so, hopefully, my dear friends, if you're watching this, hopefully you can take this fact here and present it to your management, to your middle management, to your upper management, and say, hey, we have to get off of the CRA, or Create React App, for a application. Um, at least the React people, the current React people, and of course, the React team has, has had personnel changes over the years. But anyhow, they do provide a migration path. But I do caution that you should consider this very carefully. Um, Consider carefully who you go with next, because um, you can go with a for-profit product like Next.js, which has support, but you're going to be married to Vercel. And so, um, study this, make your decision wisely, but hopefully you can take this to your management and say, we have to get off of the CRA to protect our application. Okay? Okay, my friends, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.